Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the MAXI-COSI 5-in-1 modular travel system, the Zelia one. I'm hoping that's how you pronounce it. And we're going to assemble it and see how easy it is to assemble and do a review and first impressions kind of thing. So I am now just starting my 6th month of pregnancy and I was super excited to get a stroller. The reason I chose this one is because it is such a great value. You get the stroller and the infant car seat all together. It is a travel system. And what I was looking for in a stroller is that the stroller seat could transform into a bassinet and that it had a infant car seat as well that could just click onto the stroller. Super easy. Take baby out of the car, straight on the stroller if she's sleeping, or put her in a bassinet, and then obviously when she gets bigger use the stroller seat. It also looked like it had really great storage underneath the seat, which was important for me as well. But it looked simple, it looked lightweight, and it didn't look big and bulky, which was something that was very important to me. So I got this stroller from Bye Bye Baby, and on there it retails for $400 US, but they had a promotion for 15% off, which took $60 off, so it became $339.99. I then had a 20% off coupon for one item in store only, so I used that to then bring the price down to $271.99. Plus tax, the total came out to $293 and a few cents. It's a really great price and hopefully a really great value for the stroller if it's worth it. The next step is to install the wheels, and it says they just pop on and click right in. Okay, so the wheels was the easiest thing ever. They literally just click into place, super easy. Let's move on. Next part is installing the seat and the carriage. Okay, so let's install it as the normal seat first. Okay, I guess it clicked, I just didn't hear it. Lower seat onto hubs until you hear each side click. Pull up to confirm seat is secured. So right now, if you push it down, it is in like full bassinet flat laying mode. And then there's like these two clips at the front here. And if you just push this up, you do those clips. Okay, finally got it. So right now it is forward facing, and then you've got these two big gray buttons on the side right here. You just push it on each side, and that allows you to put it from either the bassinet flat laying mode to sitting upright. And then this gray sort of button right here, that allows you to unclick and completely remove the seat. So I'm going to put it into bassinet mode, and then I'm going to put it facing me because that's how I feel that I will use this the most. Wait, that's still not facing the same way. I'm so confused with Joey's faces. It was right the first time. Wait, no, that's right. If I'm standing here, oh my god, pregnancy brain is real. So let's attach the cover now. That's nice. Oh, they call it a canopy. Okay, let's attach the canopy. Okay, so the canopy has these two sort of things that just press onto the side of the stroller. This part of the canopy then just comes over that little thing right there, which holds the back of the canopy in place. And then you just have these like little poppers that go around the outside that pop into the stroller frame. It is at a really nice height, especially for me. I'm 5'7". And she's right here. I can bend over, I can reach her. It is actually really nice. Let's see, parking brake is on the right here. So right now it's not on. Push it down and it's on. Flick it back up, that's off. Okay, super easy. So if you are using the stroller for in a straight direction for a long period of time, it says to, there's like these little green things right here. I'll do a close-up, but those lock into place. So unlocked and the wheels turn all the way around, they swivel. If it says you're going straight for a long period of time, you can lock those in the forward position and then they will not swivel around, so they stay nice and straight. That's cool. Adjust the handlebar height. Okay, so this big grey button at the top right here on the handlebar, push it and that makes the handlebar a little bit longer. There is 4 positions that you can have the handlebar. This one is the lowest, second, third, and the 4th. So it comes out probably and extends about another 2 inches from the lowest to the maximum. But for me, like I said, I'm 5'7", I'm quite tall, and the lowest one is a good height. Okay, so now let's try closing and opening the stroller. I would never close it and open it with this on. I would just remove this first, but I am gonna do it with the seat on just for the sake of this video. So you just have to unhook where you attach the canopy and then slide this little lever over to the side, which will release a tab which allows you to fold it over. Okay. Once the handlebar was forward and the thing was down, you pull up on this bar right here and it collapses. Okay, latch the fold lock. Let's try and unfold it now. And there you have a stroller that's ready to go. So I've had enough of this bassinet thing. I'm now going to move on to the car seat portion of this travel system. Okay, so here is the infant car seat. Okay, so you get these 2 things in a package for attaching the car seat. Right and left. So there's a little button back here, the grey thing, that releases the car seat from the base. The base cannot go on this, you have to remove the car seat, it says, and click it on by itself, but the base obviously stays in the car. And this one has to be, it says, facing you, not facing the world. Oh, wow. I wasn't even trying and that like slid right in. Like I said, this is how I would probably be using it most, especially when she's really little. Just taking her straight out of the car and putting her, clicking her right in this. But the bassinet is very nice to have, especially if we're just like going for walks around the neighborhood. This is just an infant car seat, so she will outgrow it pretty fast, and that's when you move on to the stroller seat instead. These 2 levers that you see, these green buttons on either side, those push down and that puts the handlebar down, and then I'm guessing that is, oh yeah, super easy. There's then these little grey buttons which then remove the car seat adapters, because you can't put the car seat back on the car seat base with these on. So overall, I love the features of the stroller, the bassinet, the seat, the car seat. It was pretty easy to install, the wheels were easy. I love how it looks, that was pretty important to me. I love the price that I paid for it. Amazing. It doesn't feel cheap. A lot of people said it felt really cheap. Yeah, you're not getting the highest quality stuff that you would be paying for a $1,000 stroller, but you know, it doesn't feel terribly cheap, let's put it that way. You're getting obviously what you pay for, but I think, you know, I'm a first-time mom, first-time stroller user. I love it. It was easy, it's simple, it looks simple, it's easy to understand. You know, if you don't have an instruction booklet, there's a few buttons, you play around a little bit and you get it eventually. So it is pretty easy to use. I love the storage basket at the bottom. It is nice and big. It's also netted on both sides and it feels really, really sturdy. It is supported at the bottom, so you could put probably quite a little bit of weight in there and be completely fine. And then it has this bit at the front just to stop anything falling out from the back or from the front. It also comes in 4 different colors. That's nice to be able to choose what kind of color you want. I went with black so that if I did have a boy next time and we were still using this stroller, that everything would still be nice and gender neutral. Let's just say I am now super excited for her to get here just so I can use it and take her around in it. First impressions, really, really good. I like it. price, so you can't beat it. So I am very happy with this purchase. So if this video was useful for you, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.